Imagine recording an entire 90-minute football match. Now imagine manually searching for every goal, tackle, celebration, and skill move. Sounds painful, right? What if Filmora could do most of that work for you in minutes? Today, I'll show you 3 Filmora features that can help transform a long football match into a professional highlight reel much faster. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Whether you're creating football edits for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or player highlight videos, one challenge remains the same: too much footage. Luckily, Filmora includes AI-powered tools that can help identify key moments, organize clips, and sync everything to music. Let's start with the feature that can save the most time. Feature 1. Smart Short Clips. Let's say you've recorded an entire football match that's over an hour long. Instead of manually reviewing every minute of footage, you can use Smart Short Clips. Simply import your long football video and let Filmora analyze it. Select the language, duration of the shorts, then select the type of video, and finally select the template and click Generate. The AI automatically identifies engaging moments and creates shorter clips from the original footage. For football content, this can help surface goals, celebrations, fast attacks, skill moves, exciting moments. Rather than starting with a massive timeline, you immediately get a collection of shorter clips ready for editing. For creators who regularly edit football matches, this feature alone can save hours of work. Feature 2. Smart Scene Cut. With a 90-minute video, finding out the scene manually is time-consuming. This is where Smart Scene Cut becomes incredibly useful. Football footage contains many different moments: kickoff, midfield play, goal opportunities, celebrations, crowd reactions, player close-ups. Smart Scene Cut automatically detects scene changes and separates the footage into individual segments. Simply select the Smart Scene Cut, then select the clip, and click on Start, and the video upload and analysis process will start. Then on the next screen, you can select between highlight scene or select a defined character to get a character scene or select the custom object. Once done, add scenes one by one or add all. Then click on Edit on the main timeline and edit further in your style. When you're working with long football recordings, Smart Scene Cut helps you focus on storytelling instead of repetitive editing. Feature 3. Beat Detection. Now let's make the edit exciting. A football highlight video isn't just about showing goals, it's about creating energy. After importing your music, use beat detection. Filmora automatically identifies the beats in your soundtrack and places markers across the timeline. Now you can sync goals, tackles, celebrations directly to the music. It's one of the easiest ways to improve sports edits. Final workflow. Start with your full football match. Use Smart Short Clips to identify exciting moments, or use Smart Scene Cut to organize moments into individual clips, and then use beat detection to sync everything perfectly to your soundtrack. Instead of spending hours searching through footage, Filmora helps you get to the creative part much faster. And that's how you can turn a full football match into an exciting highlight video using Filmora's AI-powered editing tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!